Cute. Well, that wasn't purple.
So it's actually then this is a heat exchange. It'll bring the fresh air from outside, blow through the vents, pull the air here back outside. So it circulates the fresh air inside. So we can control the environment in summertime or wintertime to make it comfortable for the cows. No, there's not. I'm here in the morning to evening time. I'm here for a few hours in the morning and evening. Other than that, we're over here. So let me show you. So like on this box. So see, she's coming in. The gate's gonna close. We'll see if she needs milk. Yep, she does. Okay, well, let's see. Yep. So you're gonna see here now, the milker's gonna come out and it's gonna go up and it's gonna attach to the cow's teeth. You can slide over this way if you want to see it a little better. That's happening. I might have to go in and straighten them out and help pull the calf out. Not very often that happens, but if it does, we'll help them. We have a camera set up there where we can watch it and monitor them. Then, after the calf's born, the mother's instinct is to lick off the calf, get the circulation going, and the calf usually stands within a half an hour after being born. Then I'll put in the computer that the cow's just had a calf, and I'll take that cow into the robots twice a day for 3 days to get milk, but also that calf can suck the mother and get the colostrum, or that milk, those first 3 days of milking that cow will automatically go into a different tank where I can collect that colostrum and bring back to the calf in a bottle. One way or the other, we're making sure the calf gets the colostrum because that's critical for their survival, getting those nutrients they need. And then after the 3 days, the cow goes in with the rest of the herd and the calf goes out to the hutches. Okay, we're going to go up these stairs and turn to your left. So the rear ends are out near the edge and not. And so if they go to the bathroom, it's going out in the alley and not in their beds as much. They can't really turn in there, so that's the way they're designed. So they stay a little cleaner where they lay. And like you were asking about a bowl, if we do that, we do artificial insemination, and we can select what traits we want that calf to have. So we've had a guy come, he analyzes all the cows, their traits and characteristics, and puts that in the computer. When a cow comes in heat, I look on the computer, it tells me the cow's in heat based off of their movements. It will separate the cow on that sort gate down below into the other pen. I'll lock them up. The computer will tell me which semen to use with which cow to get exactly what we want in the future. And what we're keying in on is it'll be good for cheese, since we've got the cheese plant. High in butter fats, high in proteins. Normally you would get that more with a Jersey cow, but we can get it with a Holstein cow because of the genetics. We also select for production, easy calving. Cows can milk out fast. Since we've only got 4 robots, they can milk out fast. More cows can get through the robots. We look at all these different parameters and things that we want to select for, and we do. We can get whatever we want. Some of the the workers would be down here in the pit, and the cows would be up here on both sides. They didn't have to bend under the cows at this barn, like I did mine. So they bring in 6 cows there, 6 cows over here, they'd lock them in, and then they would dip, go through those steps I was telling you about, dipping them, wiping them. These are the milkers they put on the cows. When they're done milking, they come off, and then they would post dip them, and then they'd exit out through those doors and go get hay, and then get a treat. This is for the calves. So what will happen is, after a calf's born, instead of going out to the hutches, we're going to take them into that building. They're going to have a responder like the cows do, a small version. We'll teach them to come up into a little slot where there'll be a bottle of milk. The milk's going to start in this building in a purifier. It'll go underground, we'll come up there to that spot. We'll teach the calf to come into that spot, and then it'll be on the calf's time frame. When it wants to get milk, it can get it. We can control how much milk the calf gets. So it'll be similar to like the cows. The calf will be on their time frame to get their milk, like the cows, it's on their time frame to get milk. So we're not quite there, but we're getting close to that.
Nice. They must get close to the barn.
This time of year.
Yeah, they're probably saying,
Get that barn. Yeah.